Welcome. In front of me is REALME GT3, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot the screen lock password to your device. So in such situation, first of all, before trying to enter the password once again, press and hold the power key and the volume up button and select restart option, and try to do that one more time once the phone is restarted, just to make sure that it's not glitching. If this doesn't help you, then the best option in such case would be to try and remember the password that you entered the last time, that worked for you the last time. If you do that, if you succeed, you'll save yourself a lot of time and a lot of work, and might also save your personal information stored on your device, especially if you didn't do any backup beforehand. Now, if you really tried hard and didn't succeed, then the other best solution for you would be to try and contact the REALME customer support service and tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of this device to them, then they will most likely help you solve your problem and let you regain access to your device without losing any data. And if this option is unavailable for you now, then you can still perform a factory reset operation that will surely grant you access to your device again. Now, if you don't know about the factory reset operation, it will erase all data from your device, but you will be able to set up your device as new once you're done. So the first option of how you can perform a factory reset operation on the smartphone is locally. To do that, you have to open the Find Hub service. You can look it up in your browser using any other devices of yours. Then log into your Google account that is connected to this smartphone, and then select this smartphone on the list and select factory reset operation. And once the factory reset operation is performed, your device will be able to be set up as a new device. This is the remote option of performing a factory reset operation. Now, if you can't do this, you can also perform a factory reset operation locally through the recovery mode. Now, if you don't know how to use the recovery mode, how to access it, how to navigate in it, we have the answers to all of your questions in our full video where we explain everything step by step. So if you need a video on how to perform a factory reset operation through the recovery mode, look it up on our channel, and if you need it, check it out. And for this video, that will be all. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.